In a daring jailbreak attempt, the accused in the Ahmedabad serial blast case dug an 18-feet tunnel to flee from the high-security prison. But before they could manage to flee, the plan was uncovered by authorities. Officials have said that the accused, some of who are qualified engineers, had utilized utensils used to serve food to clandestinely dig the tunnel. An inquiry has been instituted to ascertain the laxity and complicity of security personnel in the incident. Rohit Bhan has more.
Well, we are outside the Sabarmati jail here in Ahmedabad, the high security prison, where a serious jailbreak attempt has been foiled by the authorities. In fact, it happened around at barrack number 4 at the Chota Chakar, it's called. That's what we've been told, that 14 of the inmates here accused in the Ahmedabad serial bomb blast case, they've been lodged in barrack number 4 inside the high security prison. And for the last several days, they've been trying to dig a tunnel to flee from this prison. We've been told that they had managed to dig around 18 feet deep tunnel, which was around 5 to 6 feet wide. But before they could really manage to flee from the prison, the authorities had detected it. And in fact, these cases have been registered against the Ahmedabad serial blast accused case. We've been told that of the 14 inmates who were lost in that barrack, 3 are engineers who were accused in the case. 1 civil engineer, perhaps taking advantage of their technical expertise. The officials have been giving some details about the case, saying that it happened near a garden in the prison. That's somewhere near the barrack number 4. What they've been doing every day for 3 hours, when they were allowed to go out of the barrack, they were trying to dig using the utensils which were used by the authorities to serve them food and all. And that's what initial investigations have established. That was used to dig the tunnel for the last month or so. Perhaps they have been trying to dig this deep canal, but before they could succeed in the mission of fleeing from the prison, it was detected and they were arrested. Now this has created really posed questions on this security monitoring inside the prison, because they've been doing it for several days now, with the authorities saying that they had timely detected it. They had managed to cover it up because there was a garden. They were dumping the soil which was taken out for digging, that was dumped in the garden, so it was a little difficult to evade them. As you can see behind me, a large number of senior police officials, they have arrived here. They have been holding meetings, officials from the crime branch and also from the anti-terror squad. They had come here ever since this news about the incident has broken, ever since the control room received the message. They have been holding consultations on how did it happen. An inquiry has been instituted. But yes, a major jailbreak attempt has been foiled here at the Sabarmati jail, which is one of the high security prisons in Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad, with camera person Nartut Parmar, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.
तो यार्ड में जो कबूतर को पकड़ने का गांव देहात में होता है, छोटी सी जाली होती है, उसमें पत्थर रखा जाता है, दाने रखे जाते हैं ताकि कबूतर आए, बैठे और पकड़े और उसे खा लें। अब ये जो यार्ड हैं, ये स्पेसिफिक यार्ड हैं और इसमें स्पेसिफिक लोग रहते हैं जो कबूतर का ज़बह नहीं करते। तो मेरा जो स्टाफ था, उन्हें शंका हुई, तो उन्होंने कहा कि भाई इस यार्ड में अगर ये पाया गया है तो हमें दूसरे यार्ड की भी छानबीन करनी चाहिए। तो दूसरे यार्ड में गए जहां ये पता लगा कि ये बात हुआ है।